What's up guys, it's Lashik again in a new video. Here we are gonna unbox the Huawei MediaPad T5. Excuse me. So this is like the unboxing video of this device. I just received it. AirPods are just in. I mean, they're not in this video, but you know. So as you can see inside the square shadow, you can see the specs and stuff. You can just have a look at it. At the same time, let's open it, like unbox the thing itself. It says 10.1 inch. It's really simple in the front, nothing written on it, only the name and the logo and the device itself. And yeah, in the back you have some really quick information about the iPad. Not the iPad though, it's a tablet. Yeah, you know, you get the point. So I got a knife so that I can cut this ceiling out. So let's do it. I'll just cut it off. Peeling this cover is so satisfying, but I'm not doing it slow. You can also enjoy it in your proper way, but I just did it fast. Okay, so it's a basic unboxing. So you will just the box falls off from the inside. So let's just pull it off. Here we go. We have the iPad, I mean the tablet, because I personally use iPads every time, so this is my first Android tablet. So yeah, let's put it aside. Let's talk about the other stuff inside the box, which we had a quick reference here. It says we have the MediaPad itself, USB charger and cable, quick start guide and warranty information, eject pin, because the iPad supports I mean the MediaPad supports a SIM card. So yeah, it has an eject pin. So let's open the first side, this port. So let's open that. We have the charger cable. No, I mean the charger adapter. So and that's it for this side. Nothing inside. So just leave it there. Nothing on the sides too. The sides are filled with the basic wrapping, you know. So this is the part which comes out, and as you can see, this is the eject pin for the SIM cards and stuff. When you open it, you have the user manual here and the warranty cards in here, and you also have the charger cable here. So that's it for the box itself. So now let's put everything aside and let's try getting into the iPad itself. I mean, you get the point, guys. It's a MediaPad. So it's here. First, let me remove this. So it indicates everything, which is this is the power control, and these are the media volume rockers, and here we have some SIM card eject information. So let's just pull it off. Here we have some IMEI codes and other stickers. We can just peel them off. So this is the iPad itself. I mean the MediaPad itself. It would look good with a cover. Let's just go through what are the ports it has. First of all, it has two down-firing speakers. So yeah, they give a pretty good sound quality and stuff. Here we have the charger, the SIM tray, and a headphone jack. And here on top we have a noise cancelling mic, and on the sides too. So here we can see we have a camera, and the other side too we have a 5 megapixel camera. So let's boot it up before doing anything further. So let's boot it up. The power button's on the right side, so let's boot it up and wait for it to turn on. Actually, in my next video I'm gonna do the basics, like beginning with the iPad and working on it. So check out my next video to see like how it opens and the beginning setup. Thanks for watching, guys. Guys, it's Lashik. So just before ending the video, I wanted to say like this video because it took a lot of editing work, and feel free to subscribe to get new content, and also comment on this video about the next like content recommendations. You can also say me things to review on my next video, and feel free to follow my Instagram to know about updates on my next video. I also update thumbnails on my